Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to protect your privacy and access the internet securely from your Android phone? In this 2025 guide, I will show you step by step how to use NordVPN on Android the right way. So, what is NordVPN? NordVPN is one of the top VPN services in the world. It hides your real IP address by routing your internet traffic through secure servers in different countries. This means better privacy, stronger security, and the ability to safely browse or stream from anywhere. Now, download the official app. First of all, open the Google Play Store from your phone and click the search bar icon and search for NordVPN. Make sure you select the official app. It has over 50 million downloads, more than 80 million reviews, and a rating above 4.6 or 3, like this. Tap install and wait for the download complete. Once installed, open the app. If you already have a NordVPN account, just click sign in and go ahead. If not, you can create one directly in the app. NordVPN offers different subscription plans depending on your needs. Just click accept, allow. Now click subscribe now. The home screen shows a world map like this with location pins. This represent NordVPN's server locations. You can either tap a country on the map or use the server list to pick a specific location. To connect instantly, tap the Quick Connect button or select a country from here like United States and log in from here. And that's how to use NordVPN on your Android phone in 2025. NordVPN on Android also includes features like Threat Protection Lite to block ads and trackers and meshnet for connecting devices securely. You can explore this in the app settings. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.